Failure to timely diagnose cancer cases are a big part of what we do for many reasons, but from a personal standpoint, they're important cases for me. I've had very many close family members who have had cancer, and indeed some who have died of cancer. But even more personal than that, I happen to be a cancer survivor. So those cases are near and dear to my heart, and I understand, having gone through what I went through, the importance of early diagnosis, and timely treatment.
The failure to diagnose cancer cases are unique. It's a unique area of medical malpractice law. And most often when the clients come in and they have been diagnosed with an advanced stage, they are scared, they are angry, and they can't understand why it is that they were diagnosed at an advanced stage, why they didn't have an opportunity for treatment and cure at an earlier stage.
The first job of an attorney in that situation is to figure out whether, in fact, there was a misdiagnosis, and to see then what the result of the misdiagnosis was.
In specializing in the area of failure to diagnose cancer cases, I know what to look for. I know what films need to be ordered and who should review the films. I know what pathology slides to get and who should look at the pathology slides. I know what medical records need to be looked at and what makes sense in order to demonstrate, in order to prove to a jury one day that this patient should have been diagnosed earlier and had an opportunity to survive their disease.
The answers that can be achieved in a lawsuit can bring with them some hope, because the problems faced by people who have misdiagnoses often relate to not knowing why or not being able to understand it. And there can be real satisfaction achieved by learning the answers to those questions.
There are some very specific and oftentimes complicated medical issues that come along with failure to timely diagnose cancer cases, and it is critical to hire a lawyer who knows those issues, who's handled those cases before, and who will be able to present the right arguments to a jury or to an insurance company, judge, or defense lawyer. So we're the type of firm you want to come to if you have a failure to timely diagnose case, or if you're even unsure about whether or not you were timely diagnosed.